So we have with us Suman, who is a beautiful lady and won various awards in beauty pageants. So thanks for joining our MYB talk show. Suman, over to you. Please tell us about yourself and your activities and your success stories.
Thank you so much. सबसे पहले to invite me, and I'm very happy to be a part of MYB today. And believe me, आपसे इस वक्त live मुलाकात virtually इस वक्त मुलाकात करना, I'm super excited for this, the conversation that we are going to have. And talking about myself, I'm Suman Chilani, as आपने already नाम announce किया, and I've been the winner of Miss India Intercontinental 2018. And by profession, I'm an anchor, I'm MC, I'm a master of ceremony. I host not just in India, grace of God, I host internationally. I have hosted more than 2,000 events with various Bollywood, Hollywood celebrities. Talking about what I have been doing currently in this lockdown, we are actually playing Tambola. So I have started this company called Cat Play Tambola Private Limited with my partner. अगर आपने उनका नाम सुना हो, A.K. रहमान, जिनकी आवाज आपने सुनी होगी Love Guru में 91.1. So together we do this Tambola, and in this lockdown and even after lockdown, we actually play online, offline, physical. So this is what is happening at the moment.
Great, great, superb. So what is the motivation? What is the motivation behind this? Not only just Tambola, about your, taking part in beauty contests and things like this. So what is the motivation behind it? Or who is the motivation?
See, for me, the motivation that comes from different people like you around, who are beautiful souls. And kahin na kahin, it also self-inspired, self-motivation bhi jo hai, like that's how I've been as a person. In my life, I always believed in one thing, that is, if option A is not working for you, go for option B. If option B is not working for you, be ready with option C. That's how in my life, in my real, in my life, I was actually cabin crew. I wanted to go for, cabin crew, but jahan pe cabin crew nahi ho raha tha in 2008, when I was applying for interviews, I was not able to, crack the interviews. So मैंने वहाँ पे beauty pageant के लिए apply किया, and वहाँ पे in 2011 I won the title Miss Gujarat. But you know what? Somewhere I have been the person go-getter. रुकना नहीं है जिंदगी में. Again, I applied for cabin crew, and grace of God, again, I passed the interview of Emirates Airlines, and I was flying with Emirates Airlines as a cabin crew for 2.5 years. But वो जो सपना था Miss Gujarat का जो रह गया था 2011 में, उसको वापस पूरा करना था. And then again in 2017, I applied for Miss India. I was a finalist of Miss Universe in 2017. However, I did not win the final title. But as I said, rukne wale nahi hai. Then in 2018, I applied for Miss India Intercontinental 2018, jahan pe I became the winner, and I was happy and proud to represent our country in Philippines amongst 91 other countries. So that's how, the motivation kaho, your life mein inspiration kaho, it comes from the beautiful people like you around.
So you already told many things, but tell us one particular anecdote in your success journey, which touches your heart the most.
Which touches my heart the most?
Yeah, a success story. You have told how many, different awards you already won. But in all this, your success journey, which award or which anecdote particularly touches your heart?
The thought, I would say that is a thought. Success is a journey, not the destination. If I have achieved something which I wanted, like I wanted to become a cabin crew, I achieved that, but I don't have to stop there. I have to keep trying and look for what is next. So even when we achieve success, like after cabin crew, Miss India ke baad now entrepreneur, Tambola. So for me, the anecdote, or I would say the mantra that goes with me is keep working hard, be a go-getter, and success is a journey, not the destination.
Great. It's a nice message you have given. Superb. So tell us about something about your qualities, 3 top qualities, which help you to achieve success after success, or becoming a go-getter and success comes behind you. So which qualities you would like to tell us about
Yes.
yourself?
The first the quality for me is planning. I know what I plan. So if I keep my plan ready of option B, option A, then I keep my plan ready of option B. If not this, then this, then this. I have options ready till option Z. Now this is my first quality. The second quality is I'm very confident. I'm confident what I say. I'm confident what I do because I know जो मैं कर रही हूँ, I believe in it. So second quality for me, I feel is, I'm confident about what I do. The third quality is even if I fail, I don't demotivate myself. Even if I fail, I have the courage to stand up again. So it's okay. Fail हुए हैं, it's okay. Learn out of it, but do not commit the same mistake again. So I learn. So learning is the third quality that I would say I strongly do.
Great, superb. So you must have faced so many challenges in the entire journey of yours, but tell us how you transform these challenges into opportunities.
See, when I talk about challenges, I have faced honestly innumerable challenges from media, from the society when it comes to, pick me around in Miss India competition. Because I come from the family background, jahan pe, all these were not as used to as it is today. If I'm talking about back in 2011, mere parivar mein itna zyada, it was not allowed. However, I learned and I sing this song with my heart. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. So this is one thing I have always, अगर लोग कुछ कह भी रहे हैं, it's okay, but I'm confident that जो मैं कर रही हूँ, it's, वो बरोबर है. But as I said again, I learn. I don't believe in to be overconfident at the same time. So yes, and talking about the challenges, जितने भी challenges आए हैं, I know what is the option B of it. अगर ये है तो मुझे ये करना है, ये है तो मुझे ये करना है. So बोलते हैं ना, आप हम काम करना जब शुरू करते हैं, ऊपर वाला अपने आप ही साथ देता जाता है, रास्ता जो है आगे बढ़ता जाता है.
Great. What message you would like to give to our audience?
A message to this beautiful audience, I would say, जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है. You know what, कोविड में मैंने देखा है कि हम लोगों ने अपने करीबी लोगों को भी खोया है. All of us in our society. वहां पे आपको पैसे भी काम नहीं आते हैं, वहां पे आपको कुछ भी काम नहीं आता है. जहां पे हमें ऑक्सीजन के लिए पैसा देना पड़ रहा है, मतलब वो जमाने में है हम. We are in a world which is very uncertain. तो एक मैसेज ये होगा कि आप जहां पे भी हो, जिस भी हाल में हो, खुश रहो. एंड जिंदगी में वही काम करो जिसमें आपको खुशी मिलती है. बी हैप्पी. द सक्सेस मंत्रा, या मुझसे मेरी जिंदगी का मंत्रा है, स्प्रेड हैप्पीनेस, earn blessings and travel the world, because I love traveling the world. And blessings why? Because अगर हम लोग कभी भी अपने आप से सवाल पूछें, मैं इस दुनिया में पैदा क्यों हुआ हूँ, why am I here in this world, या फिर यहाँ से जाने के बाद जब मेरी जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा, क्या मैं अपने साथ क्या लेके जाने वाला हूँ? क्या मैं अपने साथ टाइटल लेके जाने वाली हूँ? क्या मैं अपने साथ पैसा लेके जाने वाला हूँ? क्या मैं अपने साथ वो नाम जिसके लिए हम पूरी जिंदगी मेहनत करते हैं, क्या मैं वो अपने साथ लेके जाने वाला हूँ? द आंसर इज नो. सो क्या लेके जाने वाले हैं? हम लेके जाने वाले हैं ब्लेसिंग्स, जो हम लोगों ने दूसरों को खुशियां दी हैं, बड़ों को हेल्प किया है, जहां पे भी XYZ जो ब्लेसिंग है, आई फील कि वही हम अपने साथ लेके जाने वाले हैं. एंड जिंदगी कर रहा है वो आप करो, लेकिन मेक श्योर कि वो हमारे सिद्धांतों के खिलाफ ना हो. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक जहां पे हमारे परिवार की इज्जत पे हमारे परिवार की इज्जत नहीं उछलनी चाहिए. मेक श्योर कि हम अपने दायरे में रह के हम वो जिंदगी में सारे काम कर रहे हैं जिसमें हम खुश हैं, हमारा परिवार खुश है. एंड सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज, ड्रीम बिग.
Great, superb. So last but not least, tell us what are your 3 top desires which you would like to achieve in a couple of years or maybe in a next few years. 3 top wishes.
Okay. 3 top desire, I would say, पूरी जिंदगी के लिए बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, because as I mentioned, life is very uncertain. But currently,
Yeah.
so for the shorter period of time, my top 3 desires are, I'm working very hard on Tambola. So it's my dream कि पूरा हिंदुस्तान एक साथ खेले. As I mentioned, I'm an anchor by profession. मेरा धर्म कहता है to entertain crowd, to entertain audience. That's my धर्म. So my wish, my desire is कि पूरा हिंदुस्तान, or you can say my dream is कि पूरा हिंदुस्तान एक साथ तंबोला खेले. Second desire is, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे इच्छा है कि हमारा एक फाउंडेशन मैं स्टार्ट करने जा रही हूँ जिसका नाम है यूनाइटेड हैंड्स फाउंडेशन. तो उसके लिए काफी हमें अड़चने आई है. There are lot many challenges which we have faced in last 3 months, in fact 4 months. So I really wish कि वो यूनाइटेड हैंड्स फाउंडेशन जिसकी हम शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं, वहां पे हम मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम लोगों को उसका फायदा जो है पहुंचा पाए. एंड माय थर्ड डिजायर इज, जहां पे जितने भी व्यूअर्स हैं, इफ यू थिंक, इवन राजेश जी आप भी, इफ यू थिंक इफ आई कैन हेल्प इन योर लाइफ इन सम वे, or if I can, be a part of your smile and I can add some happiness in your life, please tell me the way. I would love to fulfill that, your wish. So these are my top 3 desires.
Great. So thank you, Suman, for joining our Embodied Talk Show. And in a this talk, you have given a wonderful messages and also spreaded positivity, smile, and a hope for something good. That's very nice of you. Thanks a lot, and wish you all the best for your Tambola and other future plans. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. And I'm very happy, honestly, to be a part of this. I have seen your channel. Even जितने भी लोगों के साथ आप interviews लेते हो, believe me, it's a wonderful initiative to inspire people in some or the other way, because we all are going through some or the other challenges. तो घर पे बैठे जिस तरह से आपने ये initiative लिया है, big round of applause for you and your team. Wonderful. I'm really very happy.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Bye.